What I'm about to tell you will give you the shock of your life. Hadi mimi nilikuwa just like, what do you mean? What do you mean? Anyways, I'm your girl, Florence. Yeah, welcome back to Did You Know with Florence. So yeah. So, did you know that the chainsaw was actually invented for childbirth and not cutting trees? Yes, I know you didn't know that, but anyways, I'm going to help you to know why. So, back then in the 18th century, these Scottish doctors, I'll tag their names below. So these Scottish doctors came up with this invention, the chainsaw now. So the main reason for this invention was to help, to aid in childbirth. So as we all know, ladies, childbirth is not always a simple process for all ladies. Inakuanga different. Child ladies, mtoto aweze kutoka vizuri, lazima kukuwe na certain like space ama niseme dilation fulani inafaa kwa isha happen fulani centimeters fulani ndio aweze kutoka, the head, the shoulders, everything. So because it's not like ikwangi like very normal for all ladies for it to always be dilated fully, they needed the help of a scalpel or a knife back then, before this chainsaw was invented. So they decided to use this chainsaw, I guess, because maybe it was simpler more than the knives and the scalpel. So this chainsaw, it was just a small hand tool, and you walikuwa natumia na mkono ku cut through the pelvis, ndo ku increase the centimeters of the area. So yeah, so ndo mtoto aweze kutoka. So so well, I guess sijui kama kwa wale wenye wameona zile machine za kumince nyama zile za kitambo, iko na handle fulani walikuwa watumia kucrank. So like hiyo hadi tuta insert picture hapa ya the chainsaw muone, it's very small hadi huwezi amini. So like that's what they used to use for childbirth process yote. Yeah. Also again, imagine the wako watumia anesthesia all this time, ukikatwa na chainsaw, no anesthesia, hiyo pain yote unasikia ukiwa sober in the flesh. Acha tu tuseme hivyo, sober in the flesh. But anyways, yeah, later on anesthesia came to be in the after the 1840s now. Anesthesia came to be. What else? Of which is more safer and better than using the chainsaw. But imagine, there are still some people who still use the chainsaw, unfortunately or unfortunately, because they don't have the knowledge of going through the C-section. Yeah. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little talk, this little Did You Know with me. Yeah, watch out for my next episode. Bye.